Hey folks, today we're taking a look at a new app by Fingerlab. It's DM10 Drum and Synth Machine. Aurelian was nice enough to send me a promo code for the app, so today I thought we would make a quick track and check it out together. Let's get started. DM10 is a sequel to their drum app DM1, which was a winner of Apple's Design Award in 2012. Fingerlab is a really interesting development studio. They have an eclectic mix of apps that span over a decade, and they even released a few games, including a robot platformer not unlike my own Synthwave escape game. They also used AUDIOKIT to power DM10, and there's a blog post about it up on the AUDIOKIT website that I'll have linked in the description. Inside of DM10, the first thing I notice is this classic skeuomorphic design. I know some people prefer a more modern UI, but I still love this tactile aesthetic. There are too many features for me to list off right here, but what I'm most excited to check out are the 170 drum kits, synths, and presets. So enough talk, let's hear the app. Next, let's hear some of the presets, and then we'll finish up with the final jam. And that's it. Regardless of if you pick this app up or not, it's always cool to see what people are building using AUDIOKIT. Let me know what you think of DM10 down in the comments. It's 30% off at $9.99 for the first week, and then it goes back up to full price. Congrats to Aurelian and Fingerlab on another awesome launch. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.